अरे सब लोग बैठो, सुनो प्रोफेसर का सुनो ध्यान करो। माधव सब बैठो, 10 मिनट बैठो। दीदी बैठ, दिखाई दे दो ना यहाँ चढ़ाने।
कृष्ण बोलो ना। Power, I'm at 70%.
How much?
70. Is it okay?
70.
17.
आज बड़े के सुबह दिन है आज। इस तारीख है ना?
27. Today is 27th.
अभी 2 दिन पहले जो है हमारी गौरी और वैष्णव जी जो है
2 days ago. Can you? Your head is coming.
आचार्य सर्वानंद स्वरूप जी
2 days ago. No, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, if you sit there, then it's okay.
सर्वानंद स्वरूप के बारे में 2 शब्द आपने क्योंकि गोस्वामी के ऊपर गोस्वामी के ग्रंथ आलोचना हुई। क्या बोला? ग्रंथ उनके जीवन चरित्र
Just hold that table. Where is that other specimen?
नरोत्तम श्यामानंद
Narottam Srivas.
ये लोग
Narottam
दीक्षा
and Srivas Acharya, they took Diksha from different guru. Narottam Lokanath Goswami. Narottam Das took Diksha from Lokanath Goswami, and Srivas and Srivas Acharya took Diksha from and Hamara. Which Goswami is it? Gopal Bhatt Goswami. Gopal Bhatt Goswami. So three bus. They took Siksha from Srila Jiva Goswami Maharaj, Narottam Das, Srivas Acharya and Shyamananda. And they took Siksha from a Jiva Goswami Maharaj, and they went to do prachar. What is the purpose of taking Diksha from Guru? That you have to serve Guru. Gurudev. Oh, sorry. That you have to massage. Is it? Yes, you can massage Gurudev's feet, you can wash Gurudev's clothes, you can cook for Gurudev. That is Guru Seva. Yes. But how many Sishyas are there? Gurudev has so many disciples. And how many clothes are there? How many clothes Gurudev has? So then how can all the disciples can do Guru Seva? Only one, maybe 1 or 2 disciples can serve Gurudev. So there's one Guru who had 2 disciples. They used to fight like monkeys. They were both naughty. Though both of them also foolish. And they were naughty and they used to fight like monkeys. Every day they used to fight for Guru Seva. So they thought every day we are fighting, so they decided that I will serve the left side of Guru and you serve the right side of the Guru. So when Gurudev goes to sleep, then you massage the right leg of the Guru, and the other one you serve the left side of the Guru. So Gurudev at night went to sleep. It was actually daytime. When Gurudev went to sleep, daytime, when he was resting, so on the left side, the Sishya disciple was like fanning.
उसी पंखा लेकर के हम
and on the right side the other disciple was fanning. So they both were fanning. One was fanning on the left side and the other disciple was fanning on the right side.
दोनों शिष्य ऐसे कर
So this is what two disciples were doing.
आगे तरफ जो शिष्य है थोड़ा
So the left side of the sisya was a little bit lazy.
थोड़ा लेजी है तो करते करते थोड़ा उसके झुक गया
So when he was fanning Gurudev, he like kind of dozed off. And the other side, and the other disciple,
मच्छर है ना
there was a machhar, there was one mosquito. There was a mosquito. So one mosquito came and sat on the left side
शिष्य जो था
and the right side.
मच्छर लगे
So,
वो क्या करे पंखा के द्वारा वो हटाने लगे
so the right side of this disciple saw that there's a machhar on the left side. So he decided so the other disciple, so he tried to with a pen, he tried to remove the mosquito. And so the left side of the disciple said, "Hey, why?"
पंखा की तरफ भगाया
So there was
ये
a.
तो मेरा सेवा है
So the other disciple said, why did you take my seva? My side. So my side is on the left side. So yes, so everything that happens on the left side of Guru, that is my seva. So why did you hit with your fan and the matcha was on the left side?
के तरफ मैंने कहा वो शिष्य जो था थोड़ा कैसे था
Not cut. So the lazy, not cut. Yes, the one who was serving on the left side, he was lazy. So then one mosquito said, hata diya. So the disciple who was serving on the left side and the mosquito sat on the right side. So he hit. So he tried to remove the mosquito with a fan. So the other one said, "Hey, so he said, with your fan, why did you hit on the left side, right side?" So then the right side, the disciple started to hit with the fan on the left side. So that's how they started to fight. So the left side of the disciples was hitting with the fan on the right side, and the right side disciple was hitting on the left side. So they started to hit on the leg. So Gurudev said, "Arey, what are you doing?" So he said. So they started to argue and said, Gurudev said, "Hey, we divided the seva between our two disciples, between us, and this one is fighting." So that is not Guru seva. Our Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada said there's two types of Guru seva. One is Vani seva and one is Vapu seva. What is Vapu seva? Vapu means so he's saying Vapu seva is what Vapu means body. Vapu means Vani seva. Vapu means Sarir, body. So the body that's related to his body, the service that you serve that is related to body is called Vapu, and Vani is seva. And you're doing mala. So Gurudev said, every day you have to do mala. What is mala? So by chanting mala, then slowly you would have attachment to Bhagwan. So name though you have to do. You have to chant. You have to get up in the morning. Hare Krishna and chant. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
इस कथा प्रसंग में कहा Vapu
seva. Vani seva is superior than Vapu seva. Who can do Vani seva? Who is listening to Gurudev's seva? If you don't even listen to Gurudev's seva, Gurudev's katha, then how can you do prachar? How can you do his prachar? So
बहुत लोग कहते हैं हमारे गुरुदेव के
So everybody says that, oh, Gurudev said this, Gurudev said.
गुरुदेव की कथा बोलो, सुन करके बोलो और क्या करो, विचार करके बोलो।
Speak about Gurudev. You should
इसलिए गुरु सेवा की श्रेष्ठ सेवा कौन सा है? वाणी सेवा। जो
you
गुरुदेव
should
के
sing
गुरुदेव से
properly
कोई संबंध नहीं है,
and
संबंध नहीं है।
speak. So if you haven't even heard Gurudev's katha, then how can you?
केवल इधर उधर
So,
की कथा सुन करके कहते गुरुदेव ने कहा।
so you can listen here and there, and then say. Then when you speak, you say that Gurudev said.
और एक शिष्य पाठ कर रहे थे, मैंने मेरे गुरु भाई पाठ कर रहे थे।
Is it Jaji?
हर कथा में बोलते
So one day Gurudev was doing part.
गुरुदेव ला कर बड़े
So one day there was one Shishya, he said, hey, Gurudev said, Gurudev this, and speak like that.
कुछ लोग बोलते
So then Gurudev said, hey,
और
and I never said that. So what they do by then they won't pran and pratishtha for themselves. So they say, hey, Gurudev said, you know badam, you know almond, with the shell, you break that almond. Do you understand what I'm saying?
ठाकुर घर में क्या है? मैं
Thakur, like Thakur.
पूछा तो ठाकुर घर में कौन है?
So he said, Thakur's house. Who he said?
ठाकुर जी की तो भोग तो नहीं लगाया।
Thakur. So he said,
ठाकुर घर में कौन है?
So he said, oh.
मैं तुम केला खाने के लिए मैं थोड़ी खा। वो किसने को
So it's like he said, Thakur. So he's not offered the banana to Thakur, and he's eating Thakur, eating the banana before. So they speak the way they want to, but they give the name as Gurudev. No, you should speak. You should say Gurudev's name. That's not a problem, but you should listen properly and speak what actually Gurudev says. That is called Vani Seva. Gurudev's Achar, Gurudev's Vichar. It's okay? And Gurudev's Siddhant. That you should listen and speak. That is called Vani Seva. That is Vani Seva is superior. Vani Seva is the best. Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada used to say that is called Mridanga Vani Seva. If you play a Mridanga, how far does it go? Then only maybe 10 meters you can hear, or maybe you can hear it downstairs. But Priyad Madanda is Grantha Pradhas, publishing of the books. If you listen to Gurudev's Katha and then write it down and then print the books, and those books will be, and then do the prachar around the world. So that's the Grantha. So how far that Katha will go from one end to the other end. That's why the Grantha Seva, the Vani of Gurudev, that should be done prachar. Then Gurudev is very pleased with you. That's not doesn't mean I don't. I'm not saying that. Oh, that doesn't mean that you don't cook. So, whatever one is qualified according, they can serve. So, what if everybody can become preachers? No, that cannot be possible. Whatever qualification one has, they could actually, in their adhikar, in their own qualification, they should serve Guru. According to their adhikar, according to their qualification, they can do bhajan, sadhan and serve Guru. That is the best. That is the quality of a disciple. But you have to try. You have to try to serve Guru. Narottam, Samananda and Srivas, those three disciples, they took Diksha from different gurus. But they took Siksha from Jiva Goswami. And then they served, they did the prachar around the world. Narottam Thakur wrote a book, Prema Chandrika. That's a vichar. That is the.
नहीं तो क्या होगा?
Otherwise,
आप कहेंगे हम तो गृहस्थ है भाई.
and we say, we are grasta here. We are in a family household life. Then all we can do is chant. Then you have to, whatever Shakti Gurudev has given, Bhagwan has given you, then you have to do according to what Shakti has given you. So there are Archana Sada. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukadev Goswami Pad has said, Hey Maharaj, Hey Pariksit, his whose life is successful, that human being's life is successful, but mind, with speech and wealth, they serve to Bhagwan. Basic speech and done wealth, whatever God has given you, Bhagwan. I am not saying that offer everything to Bhagwan, your wealth and everything. So whatever Bhagwan has given you, that you have to look after your family, but vacha. So how can you say prana, life, vacha, speech, archanan means archa, and also your body with your mind, with your speech. Like with your body, you can do archan in the mandir. Vrdavananalita loka kranaya karunya ganagan vatam prapatasya kalyana guna navasya Vande Guru Shri Charanara Vrindam Mahaprabhu Kirtana Nitya Gita Varitra Marga Manasura Sena Romanchakam Pashru Taranga Bharjo Vande Guru Shri Charanara Vrindam Sri Vigrahara Dana Nityanana Sringaratam Mandira Marjanalo Yukasavaktam Nirajatopi Vande Guru Sri Charanara Vrindam. Gurudev just sang archanan karte. So whatever archan that Gurudev is doing, that is according to the archan, he is giving siksha to his disciples. This Jadu is cleaning the temple. So then he cleans the temple and then says to his disciples, clean the temple. So what is the Guru? So Gurudev has to say, yeah, in your house you've got mandir. So at home it's called Griya Mandir. But what is mandir? Mandir is where Bhagwan is there. There is no onions or garlic. There is no one eating fish, meat, eggs, sarab and alcohol. That Griya is a mandir. That house is a mandir. Where there is no fish, no onions or garlic or alcohol or milk. What is a Griya? Griya Mandir. That is called Griya Mandir. Griya is a mandir, so the house is a mandir, is a temple. So we say, Gopal. That's beautiful. Gopal, Bal Gopal. Who's the Bal Gopal? So it's Thakurji Seva. Also Radha Krishna is there. Mahaprabhu is there. Mahaprabhu there. Gurudev is there. And Tulasi Maharani is. In the house, you should always keep good Tulasi. Your house becomes purified. Devti. जेदी ने गृह है तुलसी गंगा
सुखना सीमा पायो जुड़ायो प्राण
जीवन सार्थक जाने तुलसी देगी तुलसी देखने से कहता है
So where there is tulasi, the house becomes pavitra, purified.
तुलसी रखो
So in the house we should
हैं?
have keep
जिसके घर में तुलसी
tulsi.
है,
Whose house we've got tulsi?
हैं?
Everyone's got tulsi in their house.
हैं? भूत प्रेत पिशाच कोई
It's very auspicious. No ghost, no booth will come in the house.
पवित्र है।
So the house
जिसके
will
घर में
remain
तीन चीज
pure.
रखना चाहिए।
So three things you should keep in the house. One is tulsi, one is Ganga Jal.
गीता तुलसी
And Gita. You listen to my katha.
गीता में
So
सबके घर में क्या क्या चीज रखना चाहिए?
Gita, tulsi and Ganga.
आशा जी सबके घर में गीता मिल जाए कम से कम छोटी सी गीता कर
So even if you got a small Gita,
बड़ा गीता लाने से
you don't have to buy a big Gita.
छोटा लगने से
You can keep a small Gita.
गीता है और गीता रख करके क्या करो हर रोज गीता की एक श्लोक पढ़ो
You should read one slok of the Gita every day.
गीता पढ़ा अभ्यास करो है
Try and remember Gita and try and read Gita.
चलो हम कथा का आगे के बता दूं समय समाप्त करता हूँ कथा को ज़्यादा समय नहीं करना
There's not much time. We are late today.
तो ये नरोत्तम श्यामानंद
So Narottam, Samananda and Srivas,
अलग अलग गुरु से दीक्षा लिया
they took Diksha from different
और
gurus.
रख करके सभी ने किससे
But all of them
शास्त्र
took
शिक्षा
Siksha from, Shastra Siksha from Jiva Goswami.
और
Srila Jiva Goswami.
सारे शिक्षा अध्ययन करके
And by learning all the Siksha from Jiva Goswami, they did the prachar, they preached around the
गृहस्थ हो अथवा
country.
आप
So even if you, there's no difference if you are
महाप्रभु के जितने
Grahastha
हमारे
or Taji,
परिकर थे,
Tagi.
अधिकांश सब गृहस्थ ही थे
Most of the parikar of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu were Grahastha. They were householders.
भगवत
And they were looking after their family and they were doing bhajan as well.
ने लिए भजन देखी
So wherever in the house where there is a bhajan, that house is a Golok Vrindavan.
पर जिस दिन घर में भगवत भजन होती
Where there is a bhajan going on in the house, the house becomes a Golok Vrindavan. Lal ki jai.
जय जय
Shri Radhe Sam.
इस सामान्य प्रभु के बारे में
Samananda.
ज़्यादा
Samananda. I'll try and speak in a very simple summary. I will speak about Samananda Prabhu. He was Orissa, Jagannath Puri.
वहीं पर उन्होंने जन्म लिया
He took birth in Orissa.
उनके माता पिता के कई
His
संतान
mother-
जो है नष्ट हो जाने के बाद
so-
वो कष्ट से उनको प्राप्त किया
So the mother's parents' children, like whatever children were born, they died. So that's why they named when this child Dukhi. Actually, in this material world, everybody is Dukhi. They are unhappy. They are suffering. You say who's happy in this material world? Everybody is suffering.
जिसको पूछो
If you ask
सब
them,
अपने दुख की बात बताएंगे
if you ask how are you, then they will say they will only speak about this suffering.
थोड़ा बहुत है ये बात
Suffering.
ऊपर से
Oh, then Dukhi. So they have happipiness, but happiness is only temporary, only for a little while.
दरिद्र कहे धनी सुखी
So
क्या बोला दरिद्र कहे
Daritra says Dhani Sukhi. The poor person says a wealthy person is Sukhi. And the wealthy person says
राजा सुखी
Mahadhani.
राजा कहे महाराजा
And Raja, wealthy person says Radha, the king is happy. And the king says is Indra. Indra is happy. Indra says Brahma happy. Then Brahma ji says, "Arey, no, none of us are happy. We are all
इस संसार
suffering.
में सभी दुखी है
Everybody is suffering in this world.
कौन सुखी है बताओ
Who is happy in this world?
हम थोड़ा बहुत आ जाता है
Sometimes the get wealth and then
अंधकार पक्ष और
the
शुक्ल पक्ष
wealth, you lose your wealth
कृष्ण पक्ष
quickly.
और
This Krishna Paksha and Suk Paksha. Aata hai, comes and goes. Like Amavas and Purnima. So just like that.
नदी में फिर उसी प्रकार भी है क्या
Even in
चलते
the waves,
हैं?
even in the
ज्वार
ocean.
और भाटा जानते हो है आता है
so the waves, tide,
रात और दिन
the
ये
tide
संसार
moves.
ऐसे विचित्र है
So similarly, the sansara is just like that.
अनादिकाल से कब से
It's
कब से
just
जा रहे हैं?
coming and going.
अनादिकाल से
Anadikal, so it's just moving
कब रात हो
on.
रहे कब
So then it's day, then it's night, then it's day, and then it's night.
सुख दुख
So just like that, sukh, suffering and happiness. Actually, everybody is suffering.
हाँ सर इसलिए उनके पिताजी पिता माता उनके नाम क्या रख
So
दिया
the parents gave him name
अथवा
Dukhi
उनकी बहुत कष्ट से उनकी
because
माता
with a
पिता
very
बहुत
difficulty,
कष्ट
with a
से
great difficulty,
ये प्राप्ति
they
किया।
had their son. So they named the son Dukhi.
देखो इसके बाद उन्होंने क्या की गुरुदेव से जब दीक्षा
So when he took Diksha from
उनके नाम रखे
Gurudev
क्या
Samananda,
हाँ?
Dukhi Krishna,
क्या बोला?
Dukhi. So when he took Diksha from the Guru, then Guru gave him his name Krishna Das.
माने हम लोग सभी क्या है सभी दास
So when you take Harinam or Diksha from Guru, Guru gives you name Das because we are all servants of Krishna.
हम शिव दास नहीं हैं
We are not Das of Shivji. We are not Das of say Ganesh.
हम सूर्य
We
के
are
दास हैं।
not Surya's Das.
बाकी हम क्या है
What are we? We are Krishna Das.
फूलों के जीव हो तो
Sanat.
गीता में भी कहते हैं इसलिए गीता घर में रखना चाहिए ना
That's why it says in Gita.
मतलब क्या है? गीता पढ़ना चाहिए
But if you keep Gita in the house, what does it mean? That you should study Gita. You should read Gita.
नहीं तो गीता गीता क्या करे सब माने डस्ट को कलेक्ट करेगा
And the Gita will just collect dust. Then what's the point?
आप नहीं कलेक्ट करो गीता के श्लोक कलेक्ट नहीं करो
If you
और गीता के
collect-
तुम्हारे घर में सारे
If you don't read the Gita and collect the slokas from the Gita, then what will happen? The Gita will collect the dust. So you should read Gita every day.
हैं? उसमें तुलसी चंदन
You should have Tulsi, Chandan. You should pay pranam to
गीता
Gita.
पाठ करने से बहुत फायदा होता है।
If you read Gita part, it's very beneficial.
विचारस्य पठनं पठनं तथा मोदते श्री कृष्ण भगवान श्री राधया गीता महात्म्य क्या है
Gita says.
जत्र गीता
गीता
विचारस्य
से-
पठनं पठनं तथा मोदते श्री कृष्ण भगवान श्री राधया स्वयं भगवान श्री राधा
Swayam Bhagwan,
स्वयं भगवान
Bhagwan Shri Krishna, Swayam Bhagwan Krishna said with Radharan.
यहाँ पर क्या होता है
But
गीता
wherever there is Gita, then Krishna and Radha come there.
एक ही श्लोक पढ़ लो
Just one slok, even in the morning, read one slok. After having bath and read one Gita. You kept Gita, you have.
कभी कभी नहीं और
I'm doing reading, sometimes I'm reading Bhagavad Gita. Otherwise,
इतने खूब कभी पढ़ते ना कोई नहीं झगड़ा होता है अपने घर में
Jhagra, if you read Gita every day, then there won't be any Jhagra. Jhagra means argument in the house.
गीता को ब्रेक चलता
So some people say that if you keep Gita, then actually.
कोई आर्ग्यू ना भगवान का ऐसा लगा देना
So-
तो लोग बोलते हैं झगड़ा वाला
है ये झगड़ा बढ़ा है
What he's saying that some people say that even if you have Bhagwan in your house, then also you are having argument in your house.
दशानन कर रहे
So it's Dasanand. So it's like
ये
that
कौन
person.
बुद्धि वाले लोग हैं
So it's like these people who are not so intelligent.
टीवी पे जब सीरियल महाभारत आ जाए तो बोलते हैं, बंद करो या चैनल बदलो
So like if the Mahabharat comes on TV channel, then they say, oh, switch it off, otherwise you will have Mahabharat in your house.
वही तो सुनो अच्छा आगे क्या हो गया उनके पिता
Okay, now listen.
जब किससे दीक्षा लिया याद रखना पड़ेगा ना भाई
हाँ,
है किससे दीक्षा लिया बताओ
who, Shaman,
हृदय चैतन्य
Hriday Chaitanya.
है
So he took
उनके गुरु
Diksha.
क्या नाम है
Shamananda, Krishna Das's Guru's name is Hriday
गुरु से जब दीक्षा लिया
हृदय
गुरु नाम देते हैं
Chaitanya.
नाम देते हैं ना
So Guru gives a spiritual name. What name?
श्याम सुंदर जात
Sam Sundar Das. What name did Guru give you? Sam Sundar Das. What a beautiful name he's given you.
है जय जय
श्याम सुंदर मदन मोहन.
वृंदावन चंद्र जय जय राधे गोविंद जय राधे गोविंद नाम सुनते ही इधर द्रवित हो जाता है उल्लास हो जाता है
Even like listening to the name, your
क्या
wife,
नाम दिया
your wife. What's your wife's name?
वो तो भूल गई सर अरे
Sudevi Das.
सुंदर देवी है
Sundar. One of the Sakhi's name is Sudevi.
पहला वर्ड से ही नाम दिए पर मेरे तो संगीता नाम था आपने राशेश्वरी
So he said,
कितना सुंदर नाम है।
so he said, everybody is saying that Gurudev, you give name according to the first letter of their name, and then, but my name is Geeta and you give Raseshwari.
ऐसी की जरूरत नहीं।
So it's not necessary that Gurudev will give the name according to your first letter of your name.
गुरु की इच्छा के ऊपर निर्भर।
So it depends on the Gurudev's icha, Gurudev's desire.
चलो कितना सुंदर नाम है तुम्हारा।
Your name is Rasheshwari. It's a beautiful name.
राजेश्वरी।
राजेश्वरी।
राजेश्वरी विनोदिनी भानुकुलोचन जय जय राधे गोविंद जय राधे गोविंद जय जय राजेश्वरी विनोदिनी भानुकुलोचन। कितना सुंदर नाम है कि नहीं?
What a beautiful
अरे
name
नाम
you
ही
got.
कर दे कि इस नाम के द्वारा इसके पार हो जाओ।
So just by the name you will be delivered. What was the name that Ajamel gave his son Narayana? Rasheshwari.
हैं?
Mohini.
हैं? आज मदन मोहिनी कितना
Madan Mohini.
माधव
Madhav.
जय राधा माधव
Madhava. Jai Radha Madhava. Vinod Bihari. Nice name. Even listening to your names, your heart gets moved. But even your name, you look at your name. Jamil named his son's name was Narayan. Just by remembering his son Narayan, where did he go? He went to Vaikunth. So don't fight in the house. When you argue at home, then there is anger. That your fault, you see each other's fault. So don't. So Abhishek, now from now, don't have argument in homes. Whether you're man or woman or boy, sister, whatever, don't argue. What's your name? Manjula. Manju. Manju is also a nice name.
चलो तो फिर उनके गुरुजी ने क्या नाम रख दिया?
Krishna Das. So he gave.
किंतु सभी लोग
So now the Dukhi Das became Krishna Das. Some were calling him Dukhi Krishna
फिर
Das.
उन्होंने अपने
Then he took. Then under the instruction of his guru, he came to Vrindavan. In Vrindavan, he took Siksha from Jiva Goswami. Then Dukhi Krishna Das took Siksha from Shastra Siksha from Jiva Goswami. And then Jiva Goswami said, you should stay in Vrindavan. So stay in Vrindavan and serve Vrindavan. Serve in Vrindavan. Seva. So you have to even say you reside in Vrindavan, you have to serve Vrindavan. So you have to serve. Not everybody is going to sweep the floor. What is the purpose of staying in Vrindavan is to serve. There are many different types of service. Guru Seva, like Shastra. You read books and then do prachar. Then Jiva Goswami told her, okay, you are also studying the books. You know where there is a Jharu Mandal? There you clean the floor. In Vrindavan, to clean the floor with a broom is not something simple. You think, servants, the lower caste they clean the floor. No, but in Vrindavan, when you clean the floor, it's not anything ordinary. Even the Brahmajis are saying, I am not even qualified to take birth in Vrindavan. I am not qualified to in Vrindavan. So where did Krishna take? Krishna took birth in Gokul Nanda. So what Brahmaji is saying, that I want to be a stone in a Vrajvasi's house. The Matrani. This toilet, the lady who goes to Vrajvasi's house to clean the toilets, I want to be that stone in that house where after this Brajvasi, once she's cleaned all the Brajvasi's house, and then when she comes into her house and she cleans with that stone, with the stone she cleans her feet. That stone I want to be in Vrindavan. That even the Brahmaji is praying and is doing stutis. Char. How many heads Brahmaji has? 4. How many head you have is 1. Then we say, oh, my head is not working. Now we say that, yeah. We say that, oh, my head is not working. The Brahmaji, who is the creator, is creating. He is praying. 4-headed Brahma is praying. He knows 4 Veds. He is praying that he wants to be a stone in Vrindavan. So it's not a summer. It's not a low caste job to clean the floor. In Vrindavan, it's very high class. It's special. So his Gurudev Jiva Goswami told him, okay, in this area you clean also. So you read the books and study the books, but also clean the floor in this area. So one day when he was cleaning the floor, he found a Nupur ankle bell. He found Nupur ankle bell. Oh, when he just looked at that ankle bell, he had ecstasy in his heart. So he took this ankle bell and told Jiva Goswami and showed it to Jiva Goswami and said, this is what I found when I was cleaning the floor. Today, nowadays, not many ladies wear ankle bells. So this Nupur was not any ordinary Nupur. It was Rasheshwari Radharani's. So you should give it to Jiva Goswami said you give to Dukhi Krishna, to told Dukhi Krishna Das that give this to whoever it belongs to. So while he was doing that, then one girl came and the girl said, hey Babaji, when you were cleaning the floor, did you find something here? So he said, oh, did you find? So the Jiva Goswami, Krishnadas said, hey, so what? Why should I show it to you? Is it yours? So he said, so the lady said, hey, Baba, you are Babaji and you are talking to girls. Tell me what was. So he said, so the girl he said, oh Baba, tell me what did you see? Show me what you found. So then Dukhi Krishna said, I found Nupur. So he said, oh. So she said, give that Nupur to me. So Babaji said, is this Nupur yours? So the girl said, no, it's not mine. Then why should I give it to you? It's not yours. Then she said, it's my Sakhi, my friend. My Sakhi was wandering around here. Then the Nupur fell down. So he said, whoever it is, go and call that person. So he said, hey Babaji. So Babaji, he said, you are not ashamed, you are calling these girls to come here. So Dukhi Krishna said, he said, whatever you said, I will not show, I will not give. Yeah, whoever it belongs, call that person. So he said, hey, what you doing, bhajan in Vrindavan, or you are just messing about with the girls? So it's not yours, right? I won't give it to you. Whoever it belongs to. So she said, so he said, which Sakhi? Nupur, yeah. One is left and one is right? So he said, okay, your Sakhi, barabar, yeah. So Sakhi, he said, your Sakhi is lost her ankle by which left, right or right side? So the ankle bell are the same, the right. So they are the same for left or right leg.
बोले कौन सा पैर के टिकट निकल गया बताओ।
So he said, oh, which leg she lost the ankle bear? So he said, बाएं पैर, left.
दाहिने पैर तो है ही ना।
So in your right hand, right leg, you have got ankle bear.
बोले हाँ जी।
Huh.
बोले उसको बुलाओ। मैं
So you
अपने
go and
हाथ
sew
से
it. Then with
उनकी-
my own hand, I will put that
अरे,
ankle bell on her leg. Arey, you are Babaji and you want to touch girls' legs?
लज्जा शर्म नहीं। बोले
You are
तुम
not.
कुछ भी गाली दो।
You are not ashamed?
ऐसे में वो कौन थी जानते हो?
She said, right, who was this girl? She was Lalita Jai. This girl was, this Sakhi was Lalita Devi.
नगल भाई।
Prajalba. She, Lalita is very expert in talking. She will,
भाई ये तो जिनको सही बात करता है, शिक्षा ही हो गया ना।
you know, she, but whatever you tell Krishna Das, you know, he got Siksha from Jiva Goswami. So he also was stubborn.
शांति से हो जाए तो अच्छी बात है। इसलिए शांत कायम
So if something,
शांत
Shanti.
पैसा देकर के करा लो।
So sometimes if you want some work done, you will try to do it peacefully. Or sometimes if you have to get some work done, then you may give some money for somebody to make work, to get the work done.
यदि आपके उसे नहीं आ रहे उसके क्या करो?
So if they don't do what they're going to do, then what? You can slap them.
जीवन की अनुभूति आपको।
So what is Jivan?
सबसे बड़ी कठिन काम क्या है जानते
In this world, which is the most hardest work to do? What is the hard work
मनुष्य भी जो है
in this world?
चालना करो।
Is how to speak, how to
मनुष्य भी जो है
in this human
गाइड
beings,
करना
how to
सबसे
guide
बड़ी काम।
human beings is a tough
उसमें
job.
दो चार थप्पड़ मारो,
If you hit for-
मारो, वो दब जाएगा।
Yes,
किंतु
if
मनुष्य जो है
animal,
बुद्धिमान है ना।
you can tie a
एक ही
rope
मार दूसरे भाग जाता है,
and
दूसरे
you
को
can
मार-
train an animal. But to train a human
वास्तव में
beings
ऐसा
is
है,
very
आपकी
tough.
कोई business हो,
If you have a business or a
आप
factory,
काम कर रहे हैं ना,
the people who are working in your factory or in the business, so you have to, there's an art of how to
उनको भी
deal with these people. So sometimes you have to, so actually, if you have to, sometimes you have to be very loving to them in order for them to work for you. So this is, so open your eyes, open your ears and listen to this carefully. So in this world, the hardest thing is to guide the people. Animals you can also, birds you can guide them, but to guide even the tree, if it's going straight and you want to bend it, you can bend the tree. Yes, but a human being to guide is not easy. That's very hard to get some work from them. Sometimes you have to give them love, give them some more money, then they'll work. Or you say, okay, do extra work and I'll pay you overtime money. Yes.
और वो भी जान बुझ करके क्या कर रहे शाम रात करा देते हैं।
Even then,
वो मुझे ओवर टाइम मिलता पैसा चलो
Chalo, then he will say, oh, at least I need some work and I'm going to get overtime, then I will work. Then sometimes you have to shout at them and say, hey, if you don't work, you'll lose your job. So that is very hard to guide people who are managing the factory. They have to be very, sometimes a manager gets mad, the director or the manager, sometimes they get mad because it's so difficult for people to work. Like Shyam Prabhu, he always runs so also even the house we have to pay, he said. So this is the psychological, what I'm trying to say is management, what is the most difficult is to guide human beings. It's not easy to be Prime Minister. Sometimes you have to also scare them, also feed, also sometimes you have to kick them, sometimes you have to him like that. So a cow, for example, a cow who is giving a lot of milk, then also that cow has to tolerate a kick as well. Some guys, you know, the cow, when you're milking a cow, then sometimes some cows kick you. This in my house, they used to. So even he used to tie the rope in his legs, still the cow used to kick. Sometimes if you want milk from the cow, you have to accept the kick from the cow. At least we won't do that, right? We want the milk from the cow, so we have to tolerate the kick from the cows. So what I'm saying is psychological solution. The one, a person who's a manager of a company, he has to really be careful. He has to be careful how. So Lalita, it's like Lalita. So Lalita is speaking to Babaji. You say, you know, why are you teasing the girls? So he was trained by Jiva Goswami. So he said, so he said, show me your leg. Which ankle bell is missing from your leg? Show me your left leg. And so he said, oh, that's not yours. So then Lalita thought, arey, he is stubborn. He's not going to give me. So he said, let's make it Shaki. So he said, my Sakhi will not see anyone's face. If you really want to give this ankle bell to parents, then so he's saying, Krishna Das says, I don't only want to give her the ankle bell, I want to actually with my hands put this ankle bell on her ankle. Radha will never leave Krishna. She doesn't even take others darshan other than Krishna. She's not that easy. So he said, then Lalita said, do one thing. In your eyes, put a black blindfold your eyes, and then you can put this person of Radharani. Then you can put the ankle bell on her ankle. Even Krishna is difficult to get Radha's darshan. Krishna Vande Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande Manamanasa Madhukara Marpaya Nija Pada Pankaja Nitanande Manamanasa Madhukara Marpaya Nija Pada Pankaja Nitanande Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande Jadabhi Sama the creator Brahma, whose heart is soft, he wants the lotus feet of Bhagwan's lotus feet in his heart. His heart is pure. So sometimes even the effulgence from Bhagwan's nail also you cannot have darshan of. Even the Brahmaji's hriday is pure and soft. Even the illumination light, chata, the light reflecting from Bhagwan's nail, you cannot even get it. Then above that, it was Radhaji's
तरसते रहते हैं।
even the Krishna is
हैं?
thirsty
तीन संध्या
for Radharani's
राधा कुंड में
darshan.
स्नान करने पर तब
So you have to,
राधा जी कृष्ण के दर्शन कैसे? ऐसे
if you
नहीं।
have the snan, he has to have first
समझ में आ
bath.
रही कि नहीं?
Then only
ये
Radha
राधा
Rani
जी के
will give a
दर्शन
darshan to Krishna.
है, इतने सहज नहीं।
It's
नाम
not
सुंदर है,
easy.
राधेश्वरी।
Radha Rani's name is very
हैं?
beautiful,
भाई,
Raseshwari, but it's
सुंदर
not.
है ना? हैं?
It's beautiful
नाम
name.
सुंदर है कि नहीं?
Yes, the name is
आपके
beautiful.
नाम में क्या है? राशेश्वरी
Shwari.
देवी
Dasi. Your name is Rasheshwari Devi Dasi. So don't Dasi. You are not Radharani. You are Dasi of Radharani.
श्रीमती राधा जी की
That Dasi of Radharani, Srimati Radha.
उनके दर्शन करने के लिए
To even have darshan of Radha. So even Krishna to have darshan of Radharani. Srimati Radhika. To get kripa of Srimati Radharani. Bath. Radha. He has to have bath 3 times in Radha Kund. Then he gets kripa.
राधा जी की कृपा कटाक्ष प्राप्ति करने के लिए सहज नहीं है।
It's not easy to get Radharani's kripa.
मुनीन्द्र बिंदु बंदे बड़े-बड़े
Munindra Vrindra, all the Vrindra, Munindras, all the Jogindras,
ब्रह्मा शिव
all the
आदि
Brahma, Shiv,
ऐसे बड़े-बड़े देवता
even these great personalities, Devatas, they cannot get darshan of Krishna is sorry, Radharani is far away. Even the direction that Radharani is, you pay pranam in that direction. The Radharani's charan, the dust from the Radharani's lotus feet. There's so many prayers, so many personalities are praying to get even the dust of Radharani's lotus feet.
धन्नादि धन्नम पवनेन कृतार्थ मानि जगेंद्र दुर्गम गति मधुसूदन भी तस्साच नमो विश्वभानु भो दिशो को भी जिस दिशा में श्रीमती राधिका
That in the direction, that in the disha, the direction where Radharani is, that direction I am paying my obeisances again and again. So it's not easy to get darshan of Radha. It's not easy to get the darshan of her charan, her lotus feet. So he said, oh, Lalita is saying, so if you, that, so now you want to, you have sankalpa, you vowed that you said that you want to tie this ankle bell on Radharani's ankle with your own hands. So we will blindfold you. And with the blindfold, then you can put this ankle bell in Radharani's. Lies blindfolded him, and then Nupar with his Nupur, and he tied this ankle bell on Radharani's ankle, and then Radharani put her hand on his head, and then Radharani said, the dust, and he put it on his forehead. And then even in Samananda Parivar, when we do tilak, they like around just in the forehead they put a nupur, like a round nupur. So that tilak has got. Then what did Jiva Goswami gave me? Thus, then he named Shyamananda. Shyama means Srimati Radhika. Shyama means Srimati Radhika. Ananda. Shyamananda. Who is Anand? Who gives the Anand to Krishna is Shyamananda. Who gives Anand to Shyama is a Shyamananda, is Radharani. So now, so then Shyamananda Prabhu got Sakshat Kripa from Radharani. So he preached in the East India, like Bengal and Orissa. So what is the purpose of life? Okay, you've taken Diksha from Gurudev. Or some people also forget their Gurudev. Oh, what's your Gurudev's name? Somewhere in Mathura. I think somebody from Narayan Maharaj. So it's not like that. You should name. You should remember the three. You should not forget three names.
क्या नाम भूलना
One
नहीं
is
चाहिए?
Bhagavad name. What is the three?
भगवान के नाम।
You should not forget Bhagwan's name.
हैं? दूसरी क्या है?
And the second,
नाम भी भूलना नहीं
you
चाहिए।
don't have to forget your own name.
हैं? तीसरी नाम
And third
गुरु
is,
के नाम।
and your Gurudev's name, you should not forget.
आज सुनिए, नाम करने की जो 10 अपराध है उसमें
There are 10 offenses in the
तीन
name.
अपराध के बारे
The
में
first 3 prominent offenses are, and what are these 3 offenses that you should really
कभी
take,
संत महात्मा के
you should take care of.
निंदा करना नहीं चाहिए।
You should not criticize. You should not criticize any sadhus.
भगवान कृष्ण के
And
साथ
second is,
बराबरी
you should not take Shiv as the same level as
कृष्ण
God.
भगवान है।
Krishna is Bhagwan. He's the supreme person. He's on the upper asan. He's on the higher asan.
आज सुनिए, कृष्णस्तु भगवान
Krishnastu Bhagwan, Swayam
और
Bhagwan.
यदि आपके घर में काली हो, दुर्गा हो,
So in your house you may have Ganesh or Kali.
भगवान के सेवक
They are the sevak. They are the servants of Krishna. They are not on the same level as
है
Krishna.
कि नहीं?
Yeah.
है? क्योंकि सामान्य व्यक्ति के ऊपर बैठा जाता है।
So you highly respect the supreme personality.
शिष्य कहाँ बैठते हैं?
A guru sits on the higher level and the disciple sits on the ground, lower level. Also the teacher sits on the higher level and the platform, like there's a platform, and then the students are at a lower level.
यदि बराबर हो जाए,
So if the disciple and the guru is on the same level, that's aparad.
शिवजी भगवान की क्या है?
Shivji is a servant of Shivji is a servant of Bhagwan.
जितने वैष्णव है,
These
श्रेष्ठ
many-
वैष्णव कौन है?
There's many Vaishnava. Who is the topmost Vaishnava is Shivji.
भगवान के सेवक।
Shivji is a Bhagwan's
लेकिन
sevak.
शिव और भगवान कृष्ण के एक बराबर शुद्ध
So you cannot say Shivji and Bhagwan is on the same level.
शिवजी कभी कृपा नहीं करते।
Then that is aparad. Then Shivji will not even be happy. That Shivji won't be give kripa. So what is the third offense? Guru. Now you have to be careful that you have to Guru aparad. You have to follow Guru.
करना ये कहा जाता
You
है।
should not think Guru as ordinary person.
है? मर्द बुद्धि क्या है? ये हम
What
भी
is the
जैसे
matter?
खाते पीते हैं, सोते
So
हैं,
like
गुरु भी ऐसे ही
even
है।
Gurudev is
हाँ, वो
ordinary
सब
like us, you know. He eats,
वो भी
we
क्या है?
eat,
मैं
we
भी
sleep
करता हूँ,
and
कोई
sleep.
शास्त्र पढ़ लूँ, गुरु
Well,
से
even
ज़्यादा
I can also learn Shastra. Okay, he knows more Shastra. In 10 years' time, I can also learn Shastra. Ravan, what is Ravan's guru was Shivji. He said Shivji is my guru, but he never ever paid any obeisances. He never paid his obeisances. Pranam to Shivji. So when he used to come to, when Ravan used to come to Kailash, he used to lift the whole planet of Kailash. He would not bow down his head. So he said that even if you cut my head, I will not pay obeisances. So like I said earlier that Dasanand, you know, Dasanand who was taking the role of Ravan, said to cut. So in Kailash there was a Harikatha was going on, and Shivji was speaking the Bhagavad Katha and Parvati was listening to the Katha. Thus at that time the Kailash started to move. So Parvati said, "Hey, Patidev, what's happening? What's happening to the earth?" Kailash. So he says, Shivji said, "Oh, my disciple is here." He said, "The disciple." So Shivji said, "My disciple Ravan is here."
रावण जब जब आते थे,
Whenever Ravan used to come to Kailash,
देख करके हंसता था।
he used to see, when he used to have darshan of Shivji, he used to laugh. And so when he had darshan of Shivji, Ravan used to laugh.
महान है ना,
Why?
अपने सोचते हैं मैं सब कुछ जानता हूँ।
So Ravan used to think, I know everything. He had such a...
पांच माथा है।
So he said, so Ravananda said, "Hey Shivji, you got 5 heads. I have got 10 heads. So who's got more knowledge? I have got more gyan."
किंतु अंत में उसका क्या हुआ?
But really,
10 के 10 माथा
what happened at the end? Then all the 10 hands were cut. Heads, 10 heads were cut.
मेरा नौ काट दो।
So if you take the role of a Ravan, then you say, "Oh, cut the 9 heads, but not my head." So Ravan is like that. In Shastra is written,
शिवजी क्यों
शिवजी-
ऐसा क्यों नहीं किया?
why didn't Shivji deliver him?
सर्वतो रूप में शिष्य की क्या कर रहे हैं? रक्षक।
So what is the purpose of a guru? Guru has to deliver all the disciples.
रावण शिव भक्त
But
थे।
Ravan was a
रावण
Shiv
की स्तुति
Bhakta.
सुनो।
If
स्वयं
you,
जब रावण
if you
जब
look at the stuti, if you hear the stuti of Ravan,
स्तोत्र गाते थे।
he used to sing Shivji
रावण क्या
Stotra.
बोलते थे?
When Ravan used to sing Shivji Stotra, Shivji,
शिवलिंग से प्रकट
शिव-
होकर नृत्य शुरू कर दिया।
Shivji, when he used to speak, when Ravan used to speak, Shiv Stotra, that Shivji from his Shivling, he used to jump
अतीव सुंदर
and very beautifully. Ravan is not anything ordinary.
अहंकारी था।
But what was his fault? His fault was Hankar. He was an egoistic.
प्रभुता पाई कारी
He was
तुलसीदास जी का थे। इसके थोड़ा बहुत
he was an ego. He had an ego. So when somebody has got gyan, they think, oh, they know so much.
शिव भक्त होने पर भी क्या?
So even though he was a bhakta of Shivji,
शिव जी के
he had so much ego, but he never used to pay any respect to Shivji.
राम और रावण
So Ram and Ravan, when there was a yudh, when there was a fight between Ram and Ravan, Shivji
इसलिए
did
कहीं
not
हमारे
come.
पूर्व भक्त ना हो जाए।
So Guru Apagna. So we have to be very careful that we don't.
गुरु रुष्टे गुरु त्राता और गुरु रुष्टे
So we should be very careful that we don't pay any offenses to Guru.
कहीं भगवान आपके ऊपर रूठ जाए।
Bhagwan, you can,
गुरु आपको क्या करेंगे?
if Bhagwan is unhappy with you, then Guru will be still be. But if Guru is not is happy with you, then nobody can save you.
गुरु के त्याग नहीं करके भगवान पड़े।
So what is
बड़े ये गुरु में तो
what is really not right is when you leave your Guru and go to another Guru.
भजन करना चाहता हूँ।
So then they go to another Guru and they said, oh, I want to do
इसके संप्रदाय ठीक
I
नहीं।
want to do bhajan in Manjari Bhav. So this Guru is not giving me any Manjari Bhav. So then I will go to Sahajya, and who will say, hey, give me some money and I'll give you Manjari Bhav. That you are so and so Manjari.
ऐसे नहीं होता।
Jalebi Manjari.
गुरु उसके यथार्थ जो गुरु है उसको शिक्षा देते हैं।
So Guru, the real Guru, slowly, you do your bhajan just like a child who is in a school from standard 1. In a school, he goes from one standard to the next standard. So you cannot jump. It's like Hanuman, so it's like with Hanuman jumped to Lanka with one step. You cannot do that. So you have to go slowly, do your bhajan.
हैं? मैं भी कहता हूँ देखो माला जप करो।
So I also say do mala, maybe increase as the time goes, then do 4, then 8, and then 10, and then from 10 to 16.
हैं? ये अपनी
Increase your chanting, increase your mala.
हरि कथा श्रवण करो।
And with it, while you are chanting, at the same time also listen to Hari Katha. If you don't listen to Hari Katha, then what will you speak?
क्या प्रचार करोगे? गुरु सेवा क्या करोगे?
Then how will you serve your Guru?
गुरु मुखार हरि कथा श्रवणम।
So you should listen from the lotus mouth of the Guru.
लेके मुखार अरविंद से
You should listen to the Hari Katha from the mouth of Guru. Then you will get, then you will be powerful in your,
किससे सुने?
and then you can say that I heard this Katha from my Gurudev.
गुरु पदम मंत्रमूलम गुरु भक्तम। ध्यान मूलम गुरु मूर्ति, पूजा मूलम गुरु पदम, मंत्र मूलम गुरु वाक्यम, मोक्ष गुरु कृपा। इसका याद।
So you should remember this mantra. It's Dhyanam, meditate on the mantra is Guru Padam,
गुरु वाक्य।
Guru Vak.
ध्यान मूलम गुरु मूर्ति,
Dhyanam
मूलम गुरु पदम, मंत्र मूलम गुरु वाक्य, मोक्ष मूलम गुरु कृपा। गुरुदेव की कृपा हो जाए
Bas, once you get Gurudev's kripa, bas,
संसार से
you will be delivered from all the anathas in this material world.
संसार में कोई दुख कष्ट आपके नहीं है।
Then nobody can give you any suffering in this material world. Like that, you should get bhajan.
हम में चले जाओगे
And then we go back to Godhead. Like a snake takes the old skin out slowly, his old skin. Everybody has to live from this world. Everybody has to go. If not today, then the next day, not the following day. So everyone has to go one day. You have to go. How should you go? By doing bhajan. Just like how a snake lets all the skin, the old skins come off from the snake, like that, you will go back to Godhead and go back to Bhagwan's Dham. You can go back to Bhagwan's Dham. So like, do bhajan. Don't go to Babaji Sampradaya for Baba Mama Manjari. Some people will say, "Are you are in Gaudiya Ma. Oh, what will you get from there? Come to us. We will give you Manjari, Rasgulla Manjari, Peda Manjari." That's a new one. Pakur. So he's saying, if somebody is sant, then you should not. So you should not criticize the sant. This is he's saying. So he said, oh, if you give 11,000, 1,100 money, then I will give Ashirwad Sadguru. So Gurudev is saying, no, I am not criticizing him. He is just a Guru, Santa, they only want money. So he is saying that the Sant, so what he's saying that so many people are mad after this Sant. Then Gurudev is saying that if so many people are after him, then he's not a Sant. If a pure Sant will not run after money. So if he said, so if I said, so what he's saying that if there is a Sant, and then I start saying Sadhu. So if Gurudev is saying Sadhu is a Sadhu, if he's a thief, then you have to say he's a thief, right? You cannot tell a thief he's a Sadhu. Or if a Sadhu is a real Sadhu, you cannot tell Sadhu a thief. You are doing work. If you are not doing something wrong, then we have to speak. So he said, Ashirwad. So he said, if 2,000, if you say 2,000, so he said, if you give 1,100 rupees, then you get blessing. What is the name? What is Sant? Yeah, कौन? TV में. Oh, some Sant who comes on TV. There's many that come on TV. Ashram now. Oh, in Vrindavan is a body. This talking about some ashram. They bought so many land. So if they saw some magic things. Asharam Bapa.
तो ये समझ जो है संत महात्मा की वजह तो भगवत भजन और अपने दूसरे की भजन में
He said, a real Sant Mahatma will say, do your bhajan. Who Sant Mahatma, who himself is doing bhajan, and he engages others in bhajan. So he said, if you do guru, so he said,
ठीक से गुरु नहीं करते हैं जानबूझ के आप ये नहीं कह के बच सकते कि अनजाने में हमसे ऐसा हो गया, तो उसका भी आपको भोगना पड़ेगा.
So he said, so he said, yes, if you do guru, then he's saying guru, you have to be very careful, and you have to see how to make somebody your guru. So Gurudev said, how will you know who is pure Guru? How will you know? How will you know he's a Guru? How will you know he's a Guru? So he's saying, so in Shastra he said, if you find out the Guru is a lumpert, is not a pure Guru, he's a cheater, then
तो ये पैसे के पीछे दौड़ रहे हैं
so that Guru is running after money, right? If he's asking you for money, then he's not real
जब
Guru.
मुझे पता चले उस गुरु के छोड़
So as soon as you know that, you should leave that Guru.
वैष्णव गुरु
And you take ashray or find of a Vaishnava Guru.
आज समझ में आप जानबूझ के शब्द करते रहो
So many,
जब जानते नहीं है तब कुछ गलत काम हो जाता है जब जानते हैं तब छोड़ देते हैं
if you know that they are cheating, then you should leave that Guru. So like a child who does,
लगाते कि नहीं
yes, the child doesn't know what stool is. He will probably play with his hands, the stool, and put stools on his hand.
आप ऐसे करोगे क्या
No. Then you get older, would you do that? No.
इसलिए कहते नहीं
So-
गुरु करो जान के
so-
वो ऐसे विद्वान हो गया
So,
तो उसके
Guru
लिए
with-
कहा है
So he's saying,
ये
Vidwan,
यथार्थ है कि
that you should
गुरु
be
के
careful
लक्षण
how
इसमें
to
शास्त्र
go.
में कहा क्या
So what are the symptoms of the Guru in the Shastra? In the Shastra it says, who is symptom Guru?
शब्दी परिचय
So,
वो गुरु के पास जाओ
go to the Guru who will get the Gyan.
है संसार से विरक्ति किसी प्रकार उसके भाई
He's not attached to this sansar, to this. He doesn't have any desires for this material world.
क्या होता है
And third is,
शास्त्र ज्ञान है
he's got Shastra Gyan, he's got the knowledge of the Shastra. And what is the third one? And what is the third one? He's got realization of Guru. How will you know that? How will you know that?
करने वाले होते हैं।
So if you do your Nam Bhajan, Hare, then you will know that. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
वो कोई भोग विलास में नहीं रहता
He's not got any desires into the material world. If he gets some money, then he will use his money for Bhagwan's ashram or use it for the seva of Bhagwan.
अरे देखो मैं कुछ दान देना चाहिए किसी
So he
जगह
said-
पे दान देना चाहिए
So he
मंदिर
said,
बना दिया कि नहीं बना दिया और बना दिया उनको भी एक्साइट करते जो बता रही वो हैं तो उससे क्या होता है आपने तो अच्छा काम किया
You did a come by
आपने
giving the
बुरी काम
money.
नहीं किया
You didn't, yes.
हैं? आज समझ अर्थों की जो भगवान ने जो अर्थ दिया
Even the
दिमाग लगा दो।
wealth Bhagwan has given you.
हम भी चले
You use this wealth in the mandir.
हैं? किंतु
Then-
मंदिर तो रहेगा
At least the mandir will stay. We will go, right? We will stay in that mandir. So mean the Vaishnavas can take rest, and then also great Vaishnavas can come and do bhajan in the temple.
मंदिर बनाया अच्छी तरह से
अच्छी-
ऐसे सुंदर बनाया ऐसे भक्त लोग सब आए कि नहीं आए
You build a nice temple. So many bhaktas will come.
अच्छा लगा कि नहीं लगा?
So your money is used in the right way.
यदि शराबी फराबी चले जाए
If you use the money in the alcohol or whatever, then what's the
तो
point?
मेरे कहने की तात्पर्य है
So what I'm
यदि
trying to
धन
say
भी मिल
is,
जाए,
even if you have wealth,
है, साधु के धन मिल जाए साधु
So,
क्या करते हैं
if sadhu gets the wealth, if the
वो क्या
Sadguru-
करते हैं? सब
if a Sadguru,
वैष्णव सेवा
they will do it in the Vaishnava Seva, Thakur Seva.
क्या करेंगे? अपने जितने के शरीर के जितना तो जरूरत है
He will only use how much you need.
बहुत कुछ जगह में जितना जरूरत है एक रोटी खाना एक रोटी खा लेता हूँ
So-
10 रोटी देने से मैं थोड़ी खा सकता
If I need only one roti, I'll eat only one roti, not 10 rotis. I am talking about my life. Shishya gives so much to me.
आज समझिए हमारी जितने जरूरत है
I will
एक
eat
से दो रोटी मेरे
with
लेना है,
and
दो रोटी
bas.
ले लिया, बाकी बाकी
I will eat only what I need.
है, ना दे दिया खाते रहो।
So it's what they keep on giving, and I eat and I eat, and I'll have bad stomach.
किसी के धन के प्रति लोभ मत
So we should not be greedy for the wealth.
लोभी बनता है भगवान की सेवा में लगा
Use it in Bhagwan Seva.
है गुरु वैष्णव की सेवा में लगाओ
Use it in Guru and Vaishnava Seva.
अभी धर्म की पहली कहे एतावत जन्म साधनम प्राण अर्थ धियो वाचा श्रेय आचरण सदा ये भागवत की श्लोक है
This is in the Bhagavad Gita. Bhagwan, whatever earth, wealth, Bhagwan is give. Okay, look after your family. And there is a extra they saved. Then that saving, you serve others.
उचित है कि नहीं है जो खाना नहीं
Like others who don't have anything to eat, you can feed them.
बहुत गरीब दुखी है दान
to his somebody very poor, you can serve some poor
एक
person.
दो रोटी मिली, एक
If you
रोटी
have
आप
two
खाएंगे,
roti,
और
you
एक
have one roti and give it to one roti who hasn't got
भगवान दिया है।
anything. If Bhagwan's given you, right?
सबकी भाग एक नहीं है।
Everybody everybody doesn't have the same
मनोभाव रखना।
wealth. So,
और दुख दुखी दूसरे के दुख देख करके
So you should have, when you see suffering in others, your heart should melt.
किसने कहा जाता है?
Why do we call ourselves human beings? Manhus. Manhus
है,
means
अपने के सम्मान बचाओ,
so
इज्जत के बचा के चलो,
so
और दूसरे के
you respect. Also you respect others and you also respect. You respect yourself and you respect others.
दूसरे के सम्मान करो,
Respect others.
है, ये तो मनुष्य है। कोई
That is human beings.
आप
That's not in
गाय
animals.
गाय चलती है ना, हम बजा
If you know, you look at the animal.
धक्का दे के चली जाए।
Yeah, and cow is
आप मनुष्य
running
हैं,
in
आप
the.
गाय को धक्का नहीं दो।
Cow will maybe push you, right, when he's walking on the road. But you have to respect the cow. You are a human being, so you are not going to push the cow because the cow is an animal.
बाजार में चल जाती है।
So when you are walking on the road,
और किसी को ऐसे करके
and
धक्का दे के जा रहे हैं, किसी
some
से
people,
मारे।
some people, the cows will hit others,
मनुष्य और
but
उसमें अंतर है।
you will not hit the cow. Manus.
इज्जत दो,
Give manus means give respect to others and you be respectful to yourself.
यही तो मनुष्य है।
That is called human being.
उपकार करे।
And
सबसे
so-
श्रेष्ठ उपकार क्या है?
What is the puka?
कथा श्रवण।
What is the topmost the human being should do is listen to katha and donate katha, speak katha to others and listen to katha. Respect everyone.
कथा भी इतनी अमृत है।
There's so much nectar in Bhagwan's katha.
भक्त जीवन
Vanam.
है, संसार में सब दुखी है।
Everybody is suffering in the world. But if they listen to Bhagavad Katha, then what happens? The pap is destroyed by listening to Hari Katha. Also you will also gain wealth when you are also chanting Bhagwan's name. Also dharma. So you will also get wealth. By doing Bhagwan's Bhagwan, you will get everything. You want wealth? Do name. Hare Krishna.
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare। मुझे नाम दीजिए, नाम तो विश्वास नाम चिंता।
So you have faith in the name. Bhagwan is Chintamani.
नाम चिंता।
Naam is Chintamani. By Chintamani you will get everything. So when you do your Harinam, do it with faith. You should chant. You chant. Everyone who doesn't do his chant, they should start. Naam karo. Everybody start chanting. Okay, do one round and slowly increase the rounds. All I'm saying, latka do. Even the one, yes, even a child who is not chanting, then put the mala around his neck. That also you will get a pass,
अच्छा ये क्या होता है, संस्कार पड़ जाता है।
That will become sanskar of the child.
आज इसलिए भगवान के नाम
So always do Bhagwan's name.
नाम करने से सब कुछ प्राप्ति होगा।
You will get everything with the name and faith. With faith, with chanta and the instructions the Gurudev has given you. Follow that with faith.
ये इस समय पे कल्याण ये नहीं है। इस संसार में जितने वस्तु से अनंत है।
Whatever is in this material is temporary. It's here today and will go away tomorrow. But the Bhagwan's name and Bhagwan's katha is eternal, is chinmay, is transcendental.
आज में हाँ नाम करो।
So everybody
जो
is saying
नाम
Nam.
करते हैं उसको प्रणाम करो। क्या बोला है?
Whoever is saying, whoever is doing Nam, do pranam to them.
नाम हो जाए।
So
है? नहीं तो देख, तुम क्यों नाम क्यों कर रहे हो?
it's like
मैं बता दे रहा हूँ। है भाई, ठीक है, तुम दूसरे कमरे में सो जाओ। हैं? बात
he
सही है कि
said,
नहीं?
he said, so, you know, it's like somebody is chanting. If your wife is chanting, then he said, don't put any restriction. If your wife is chanting, then don't put any restriction. I'm not telling you. Arre, you should tell them. You should be say, "Acha, that's good. Good that you are chanting." Then you can say, at least I am not chanting. At least my wife is chanting. You know, Kalyanath's Katha. If you listen to Kalyanath's Katha, so Kalyanath, you know the Kalyanath's wife used to be devotees of Krishna, but Kalya was cruel. And at the time of the death, when Krishna was dancing on his hood, on his head, then he started to remember that my wives are devotion, and they used to speak about Bhagwan, and I used to argue with them and fight with the wife. Just by remembering that Bhagwan, and on his head Krishna put lotus feet.
क्या श्लोक है बताओ? हैं? ये देखो लक्ष्मी की जो सौभाग्य प्राप्ति,
Even the Lakshmi doesn't have this fortune, but the Bhagwan's charan, how did Kalyanath was so fortunate that Kalyanath got
क्या श्लोक है?
the Krishna put his lotus feet on Kalyanath's hood. Even today, Lakshmi Devi in Vrindavan, she's doing tapasya to take the part in the Ras Leela in Vrindavan. She still not achieved that. But Nag Patni, our husband is he's so cruel, and when we were doing bhajan, he used to swear at us. But look at it now, today Krishna has put his lotus feet on his head. So for that charan, for that lotus feet, that Lakshmi is still doing tapasya. So how did he get that so easily? It's because of the Sangha association. That is the speciality of association. So whoever's chanting, so like saying, because of that person who is chanting and ruchi, because of the kripa of that person, then maybe I would get ruchi. It's like Kumbhakaran, he will sleep, Kumbhakaran, he was sleeping. So he didn't wake up. So he got up, yes. So even if you put water in his mouth or ears, he didn't get up. But when he smelled something, food, like the smell of food, he got up. So our time will also come when we will sleep forever. So as long as the breath is going on, as long as we are alive, then we should do some bhajan. Shri Radhe Shyam. Bolo Hari Gopal, Govinda Bolo Hari Gopal, Adhara Mana Giridhari, Giridhari Shyam Banodhari, Meru Adhara Mana Giridhari, Giridhari Shyam Banodhari. Radhe
जय राधे